Nice to meet you. My name's Mintu, and I'm a second year at King's College London studying chemistry. So today I decided to start a YouTube channel. So I'm going to show you around and show you what it's like. Let's go. Hello, so today I have a practical lab assessment where I'm going to be assessed on all the lab techniques that I've been using throughout my first year and second year. So currently I'm on my way to the campus. Okay, so I've just arrived at my campus. So the Department of Chemistry is based in Waterloo, and this is what it looks like. Yeah, this is floor 1, the labs are on floor 5. Ready for the assessment. Let's go.
2 hours later.
Okay, so it was interesting assessment. I was pretty nervous using the syringe, but it's okay. Hello. Okay, so today is not really a good day to make a video because there's not much happening, but I have an assignment for organic chemistry, so I'll be going to the library to do some work, and then yeah, you'll see the library, I guess. Okay, so I've now arrived at the library. I'll give you a tour inside and show you what it looks like from the inside. So let's go. Okay, so right now I'm in the library, and this is a quick tour of what it looks like before we get to do some work.
Second floor.
The library was very packed and couldn't really find anywhere to sit, so I'm gonna keep looking. Okay, so finally found the seats. Okay, so I've decided to change locations because it will be a good change of scenery and it'll help me focus more. So I've moved to a different room in the library. So yeah. Okay, so I'm done now. It's currently 8:43 p.m. and now I'm gonna stop and go to the gym. Managed to get quite a lot of the worksheet done today. So yeah, time to leave. Usually I leave things last minute and when they're near the deadline, but this assessment is actually worth a huge chunk of the module, so it's best to get it done early. So that's why I started now, which is pretty early for me. Okay, I'm outside now. It's pretty dark right here. But yeah, quite a lot of work to do when you're doing a science subject, I guess. But it's okay, as long as you're enjoying it, I guess. So now I'm gonna go to the gym and then eat and then relax. Hello, so right now it's raining, so I'm gonna stop recording now because my headphones getting wet and my camera's getting wet and I didn't really bring an umbrella. So after this, what I was gonna do is go to the gym and then have some food and that's it, go to bed. This is all I did today, not very interesting, but I'll make another one sometime in the future to show you what else I do as a chemist. So yeah, see you next video. If you have any other suggestions or requests, let me know in the comment section below. Cheers. Hello! So today I decided to make a YouTube channel and nothing much is happening, so but still I'm gonna show you what is